Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify credit card rewards with Discover, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your credit card rewards with Discover, start by visiting the official Discover website. Log into your Discover account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the rewards section of your account. Here, you will see a summary of your available rewards. Click on the rewards link for a more detailed view. Review the types of rewards you have earned, such as cashback or points. If applicable, check for any bonus rewards that may be available. Take note of expiration dates for your rewards, as some may have a limited time frame. For specific transactions, click on the transaction history to see how rewards were applied. If you have questions or need clarification, utilize the customer support option on the website. You can also access your rewards details through the Discover mobile app. Simply log into the app and find the Rewards tab on your dashboard. This will give you a similar overview of your earned rewards. After verifying your rewards, consider planning your redemption options. You can choose to redeem for cashback, gift cards, or travel expenses. Make sure to review the redemption process carefully to avoid any mistakes. Follow the prompts for the selected redemption option to ensure a smooth transaction. In case of any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Discover's customer service for assistance. Stay updated with any promotions that can enhance your rewards program. Regularly checking your rewards can help maximize your benefits over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.